Hello, beautiful art lovers. This is Lala Sparks again, coming in with a beautiful piece of art. And this time we are putting in resin for a jewelry box. And for this one, I'm thinking more of a a little girl. I'm thinking of a girl in general when I'm making this. So I'm using a lot of pinks. I'm using like different shades of pink and making sure that I have glitter mixed in the pink as well. Um, so I have two molds going here. It looks weird, but it's a top and a cover. So it'll make sense by the time I'm done. So again, using pink makeup powder mixed with resin and lots of glitter. And I have my floating gold for the bow. And this is the mold for the bow and putting in the floating gold. Do you remember I had a video where I did some molds where there were people thinking with gold and it turned out beautiful? That's what I'm expecting and hoping for this bow. So here we go. I'm making sure that my molds are full. It is the day to unmold, my favorite day. So here we go. Look how beautiful this turned out, guys. I was so in love. I was like, man, my daughter will love this. Love, love, love. But she's gonna get one in the color that she prefers, as she loves blue. So I'm gonna make sure that this pink one is gonna be in the description. But of course, we need encouragement, and our little girls need encouragement too. Our teenagers need encouragement. So this is gonna be a perfect gift for a girl of any age. And here I am unmolding the bow. This was my favorite part. I was like, oh my God, I can't wait to see how that gold bow is going to look. And look at how stunning, guys. Stunning. So it's supposed to go on top of the jewelry box. I'm going to put that on with resin. So we still have a ways to go to make this jewelry box an encouragement piece. So what kind of encouragement words are we going to go with for this one? Be kind. Be kind. Um, it just felt fitting for a kid of any age or a lady who loves pink. Um, for anyone. If you're on the bus, be kind. If you're walking, be kind. If you're in school, be kind. If you're at work, be kind. Kindness can, it's so, it's so underrated these days, but kindness goes a long way to change a life. Kindness goes a long way. So just encouraging everyone out there, please be kind. And hopefully this piece of art will encourage someone and will remind someone every day to be kind. So here I am putting in the bow. Of course, remember I said we need enough resin to make sure that this bow is in place. So I'm kind of turning it upside down to make sure that it just trust the process, guys. I'm turning it upside down to make sure that the bow not only kind of sits on it, but really gets in touch with the bottom of the bow. Here I'm centralizing it to make sure that before it cures, it's actually well centralized. It has cured, guys. It was well secured. The words are very visible. It says "Be kind." It's a beautiful piece of like a jewel of art, but a jewelry box and also an encouragement piece. So I will have the link in the description for anyone who wants to gift this to someone. But please remember, guys, be kind to each other. Be kind. I tell my kids this all the time. Be kind to each other. Be kind to each other at home so you can be kind to each other at school, because everything starts at home. If you remember to be kind at home, you will remember to be kind to everyone that you meet out there. So until next time, guys, please be encouraged, be kind, and I hope that my art speaks to someone. I hope that this encourages someone every single day of their lives as they kind of use this as a treasure box or jewelry box or whatever it is that the person decides to use. Until next time, talk soon.